You good? All right, ready? I'm going. Thanks, buddy. Claire.
Holy fuck, that scared the shit.
How are you doing today?
Good, I'm better. I was really scared. I'm like, what the hell did you get me into?
Well, I can see whose idea this was.
Yeah.
They call that net one Tarzan.
Which one?
The net?
Oh, the net we have to smash into? Hey, look, we gotta go down. You can come on now. Let's have a community meet. Ding, ding.
Look at your feet. Little ballerina.
It breaks.
Shut up. Oh my god.
It wouldn't break.
Okay. Well.
You could park a car on these things. One of these can hold an elevator.
Those break sometimes.
Ooh, tipping.
That's the last one over there, the falcon something.
Are we holding people up? No. Oh, is this a platform? Yeah, I'm good. I figured 3 on a tree, 3 on a platform. What's it matter? Yeah, I didn't know if that was the rule or not.
So, isn't it 2?
Yeah, but there's 2 platforms on this tree.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, we have to wait, don't we?
Yeah, I think so. Just gets a little squirrely when you're on the whole ladder. What's that?
Oh, that looks so weird from up here.
Yeah, it's weird getting on. You can, if you want. Bounce on it. Oh yeah. It's funner.
I don't like the ones that have the logs across them. That's just...
Trips you out.
Yeah, because all the logs have the heavy end to one side.
Yeah.
So you have to lean
Sorry.
your entire freaking body weight to one side. And you just freaking counteract it. Oh, she's still on the ladder.
Start coming, Brennan.
What's the ladder?
You don't fall on me. I think it's 2 people per game. It is.
Yeah, would this not count as a ladder?
That's a game. Good work.
Excellent. Excellent.
Excellente. These cables are so low. Watch your toes. Yeah, it's nice and easy.
Oh man, do I have to go way down there?
We have to get one of these in our backyard. Oh, you want me to stand?
Look at the axe over there.
Look at the what?
I thought my ears were gone.
Oh, this is so cool.
That's like a giant
I
hammock.
like laying it. Like, wouldn't it be awesome just chilling and that this far up?
Get a drink, hang
And
out.
then go on and do that.
Oh God.
I don't want them to touch it. Oh God. Got it.
I'm just gonna jump off. I'm so scared. What's that?
I didn't know which way you were going. You were getting off. Ooh. Are you deaf?
Am I deaf?
I think I either smash my head.
Have you?
Yeah, like off the wire. Like right now.
Whee! Whatever you want.
Ow, my arm. I'm so slow. It's ridiculous.
No way.
Oh, hurry my legs.
You were? Yeah, the last one was like a mega swing.
Oh, whoa, where's my
Oh, this one looks a bit crazy. Which one do you stand on?
Pardon?
Look at this.
Oh my god.
It's definitely different.
I know, those
There
ones,
she
look at
goes.
it, like, that's what it did to me, they keep like stretching out.
This is a huge swing. That one's different, that's for sure.
Better like this one.
I know, that's, I was like, ooh, that's different. I'll get out of your way.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, it's weird, eh?
Oh, I don't like that one. That one's stupid. Never again.
That one made me sweat.
I don't like that one. I know, I'm like shaking.
It's weird, because you got like, everything's going every which way. Look at these ones. You gotta start basically just hanging off cables.
Oh god, I don't want to swing on that.
This one seems fucked up. Were you under the cable?
It's hard.
Did you stand or did you go under
I
this?
tried to just stay in the center, but it throws you all over. I had it in front of me, and then by the time I got over here, it's behind me now. What? Yeah, it's not easy. A lot of sway to it.
Yeah, this one is crazy.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, we all did that.
Here, basically just hang off it. It's way easier. Just spider walk it. Yeah, just kind of hang off it. It gets weird. Or just step on one cable. You think? No, just get underneath it.
Like some fear factor shit.
You're doing way better than I did, that's for sure. Oh! That girl just slammed the tree. Fuck yeah. Way better than I did.
I'm not done yet. Okay, don't. Are you?
I'll get out of your way.
We're not right now. I'm under stress.
It's like me in the cave.
Okay.
I want out now!
And then you said the exit. You're like, how would you have to keep going down farther for you to get out?
I know, that's what it's like, fuck. Because I'd already gone down and back up one, right?
Yeah.
It's so back and forth. This one? Oh no, it's easy. Because you're underneath it. Yeah, it's easier.
I want to do this
Me? I was just hanging out. You can come on. It's easy.
You're gonna have a bloody armpit by the time I'm done.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, nervous sweat.
Oh my god. Oh god. See, I didn't want to come on.
Why not?
Go. My anger's coming out.
This last bit's hard.
It's too hard when you have both of us on.
Yeah, but it makes it funner.
Yeah, that makes me scared. I'm sweating.
I know, so am I. I think you're using a lot of muscle though.
My arms. Thank God I don't work tomorrow. I wouldn't even be able to hold the tree.
A rope swing. That was cool. Whee! Yeah.
Which way did you go?
I wanted to do it twice. What's that?
Trees hurt.
Sweet.
I hate you.
I saved you.
This is fun.
Really? You're not enjoying it?
No, I am. I'm just scared.
Me too. But it's like exhilarating. Ow, fuck.
I don't like the rope one. Thank God it wasn't really that far.
Yeah, I thought it was
I
wicked.
didn't want to let go. I'm like, no.
I went twice.
I had so much fun. I didn't.
Yeah.